A Jamaican was at the center of a major terror investigation in Florida over the weekend after he posted a picture of himself with an assault rifle and a handgun online while making reference to a music festival. The man, a tennis coach at a prominent high school in St. Andrew, was taken into custody and questioned by the Miami police after several persons reported the post as a potential threat. TVJ's Herman Green reports.
With mass shootings a common occurrence in the United States, law enforcers are taking every possible threat seriously. Rain Russell, a Jamaican tennis coach, now knows this firsthand after he posted this picture on Instagram holding an assault rifle with a pistol fitted with what appears to be a silencer on a nearby table. The picture was tagged "Ready for the Weekend", hashtag Ultra Music Festival, and hashtag MMW 2018, referring to the Miami Music Week Festival. Reports from Channel 7 News in South Florida say festival goers who saw the post were disturbed.
It's scary, and it was freaking me out.
Deja vu, my friend, just like it happened in Las Vegas.
The Miami police and the security team for Ultra Music Festival saw the posts and started targeting Russell. He was tracked down and held for questioning, after which he was released without charge.
I'm very confident that between the Miami Police Department and the FBI, they were able to determine that it was not a credible threat.
Shortly after, Russell made a post online outlining the ordeal. The post read, "What happened within the last couple days was a huge misunderstanding. A picture that was posted was taken the wrong way, completely out of context. And I apologize for this ignorant mistake and to whom it may have offended or terrified. A lesson to be learned for the digital age." Checks by TVJ News revealed that Rain Russell had been a tennis coach at Campion High School in St. Andrew. We tried to get a comment from the school, but our request was denied. However, parents of students who attend the school confirmed that up to last week he was still a coach at the institution. The parents told TVJ News that school officials told them by phone that they were aware of the incident and are taking appropriate actions. Mr. Russell reportedly went to Florida to attend the music festival from March 23 to 25 and was staying with relatives in Fort Lauderdale. According to reports, the guns in the pictures legally belong to one of his relatives. Herman Green, TVJ News.